Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Garmin HRM-Pro. So first we need some new batteries, or one new battery. It's the CR2032 which we need. And next we can open the cover on the device. This plastic can be removed just by pulling. And then we have 4 screws. 4 Phillips head screws which we need to remove. It's sufficient to just unwind them, don't need to take them out. You can lift this cover off. And now we have access to the battery. So the minus side goes down and plus side up. Let's place the new battery in. Then we can screw the cover back on. Now with all the screws tightened up, we can put this last piece of the cover back on and we are done. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing for future content. Thanks and bye.